Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and I've seen a few posts and a few people saying that they can't install the latest Cumulative update on the October 2018 update. It doesn't seem to work. On my PC it actually took twice. For some reason it's as if it installed two times to work. It installed first, it restarted, it re-downloaded again, it restarted again. So my suggestion for anybody that has a problem with that install, that cumulative update install, first of all, make sure if you have a third-party antivirus to maybe just make sure that it's not working while you install it. I'll post the link to the Microsoft Update catalog here. This is where you get the latest build or the latest cumulative update for version 1809. So of course this is for only the October 2018 update. If you have October 2018 update and have a problem in the Windows update, it doesn't want to install it, gives you an error message, download it manually from here and click the file and install it manually. There are chances that this could work, of course, depending on the version you have. So if you're in a 64-bit version of it, you get the 2018-11 cumulative update, Windows 10 version 1809 for x64 based system. If you have 32-bit, you do it with the other one here, x86. The two other ones are for either ARM based system or for Windows Server, so unless you have that, you don't touch that. So click the download button on the right side of your screen to download the latest update and run it, and chances are it's going to actually work. The link to this page is in the description below the video, so simply click there and hopefully your install will work well. Of course, for those that have this problem, let me know if it worked when you installed manually. If it doesn't, we'll check out. I'll be checking out some of the Microsoft support pages to see if maybe there's something peculiar about the fact that some of you can't install it. Like I said, on my machine it's weird because it's kind of installed twice, and it actually says 2 next to the number as if it installed twice, which is very weird. I've never seen that in an update. So check it out, download it from here, try it, and let me know how it goes. If you still have problems, we'll see what else we can do about it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.